Oh, yes, unroasted makhana is bland and boring and sticks to your gums too. But hey, roasted makhana benefits and taste improve significantly. Do you know roasted foxnuts have a higher nutrition content, higher protein, higher mineral and fiber, and higher phenolic and flavonoid content too? And it has higher antioxidants compared to its unroasted counterparts. Here's a chatpata roasted makhana snack recipe in air fryer for you. It tastes tikha, spicy and tangy, all flavors packed into these beautiful bits from pearl mithila makhana. This roasted makhana recipe uses a handful of protein-rich ingredients. For the list, please check description. You will need melon seeds or muggers, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, buckwheat groats. I'll recommend buying buckwheat seeds as they are an amazing snack on their own. You can use seeds of choice in this roasted makhana recipe. Now drop in Mithila makhana, which is the best quality of fox nuts you can get your hands on. The one I have was gifted by Pearl Mithila Makhana, which deals in premium quality lotus seeds. Now add salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, achar masala. I have used aam ka achar masala here to make flavored roasted makhana. Add 1 tablespoon of the oil from the pickle itself. Stir well so that the masala and oil coats the pearls. Throw in a few curry leaves. I have also added a teaspoon of flax meal to this recipe, but it's optional. Air fry in a steel tray at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 to 16 minutes. Please stir the makhanas in between. If you are making air fried makhana, then don't forget to place a steel mesh on top to prevent food from flying in air fryer. When you remove from the air fry, check for crunch if the makhanas have roasted perfectly. Otherwise, bake a little longer and you can store roasted makhana in an airtight container when they are still warm, because as they cool down, they will lose their crunch. I hope you enjoy making roasted makhana recipe. Don't forget to share your feedback with Ravneet Bhala if you try out this roasted makhana recipe. This makes a healthy snack for those on a weight loss diet, and makhana is a perfect protein punch for those looking to sneak in some extra protein. Enjoy!